The world of electric cars has officially changed forever. Tesla has just revealed the long-awaited Model 2, and the biggest shock isn't the design, the tech, or even the range. It's the price. Just $10,979. Yes, you heard that right. A brand new Tesla for under $11,000. This is the moment the entire EV industry has been waiting for, or fearing. And today, we're breaking down exactly how Tesla pulled this off, how the massive 50,000-ton Giga Press made it possible, and what this means for the future of cars around the world. Let's start with the big picture. For years, Tesla has been talking about an affordable mass-market EV. Something small, efficient, stylish, and cheap enough that anyone, almost anywhere, could buy one. People thought it was impossible. Even Tesla fans didn't expect something this low. But the breakthrough wasn't a new battery, or a new motor, or some secret supplier. It was something far more industrial, a monster machine that can squeeze an entire car's frame in one piece. The new 50,000-ton Giga Press. This thing is basically the world's biggest metal-shaping robot. Imagine a machine so powerful that it can compress molten aluminum like clay and turn it into a single giant car body. Before this, car manufacturing required hundreds of small pieces welded together. Each weld added cost, time, labor, and potential quality issues. The new Giga Press does the opposite. It merges all of that into one single shot. Boom. One smooth, solid, lightweight structure. It's faster, cheaper, and much stronger. And this is exactly how Tesla managed to drop the Model 2 price to just $10,979. Analysts expected maybe $20,000 or $22,000. Nobody expected a number this low. But Tesla didn't just reduce cost, they completely reinvented the manufacturing process. When you cut out welding, stamping, assembly, and bodyline labor, you cut out about 30% of production cost instantly. Multiply that across millions of vehicles, and suddenly an $11,000 Tesla doesn't look impossible anymore. Now let's talk about the Model 2 itself, because this car is going to be everywhere. It's designed to be compact but not tiny, futuristic but not overly aggressive, and minimalistic like every Tesla. The smooth lines, the short nose, and the wide stance make it look much more premium than the price suggests. The aerodynamic shape gives it surprisingly good efficiency, allowing Tesla to offer solid range even with a smaller battery pack. And yes, despite the low price, the Model 2 still comes packed with Tesla's smart features. You get the signature minimalist interior, a center touchscreen, high-quality sound, and the latest software experience. The impressive part is that Tesla isn't cutting corners on safety. Even though the car is smaller, the single-piece gigacast body makes it extremely tough. Tesla says it will meet global crash safety requirements in all major markets, which is something most budget EVs fail to achieve. Because everything is molded into one solid structure, crash energy distributes more evenly across the frame. This gives the Model 2 a big advantage compared to traditional small cars. Inside, Tesla has kept the design clean and spacious. The seats are positioned cleverly to give more legroom. The dashboard is all screen, with no extra buttons. The driving experience is going to feel like a mini, simplified Model 3. And thanks to Tesla's software-first approach, owners will get regular updates, new features, and improvements without paying extra. The Model 2 is built to be a global car, meaning it will be produced in multiple countries, shipped everywhere, and priced aggressively. But how is Tesla making money selling a car at $11,000? That's where the 50,000-ton Giga Press changes everything. Traditional car making is slow and expensive, involving hundreds of parts and thousands of welds. Tesla's casting method just melts the metal, injects it into a mold, cools it, and out pops a huge piece of the car. Less equipment, less labor, fewer robots, less time, fewer suppliers. At this scale, the cost savings are massive. The machine might be extremely expensive to build, but once it's running, the per-car cost drops dramatically. This is exactly how smartphones got cheaper, and now it's happening with cars. And keep in mind, Tesla has been building these gigapresses for years, starting with smaller versions for the Model Y. That experience allowed them to push even bigger and more powerful machines. The 50,000-ton press is the ultimate version, capable of shaping the entire underbody of the Model 2 in one go. This is like going from assembling a puzzle to printing a complete picture instantly. There's another big advantage: quality. Because the machine creates a single precise piece every time, there's almost no variation. You don't get panel misalignment, weld inconsistencies, or structural weaknesses. This means the Model 2 will look better, feel more solid, and drive more smoothly compared to traditional budget cars. Tesla wants this car to feel premium even though the price is low. Let's talk performance. The Model 2 isn't a rocket like the Plaid or the Model S, but it's surprisingly quick. The instant electric torque means even the base version will feel faster than most gasoline cars in its price range. Tesla is expected to offer two choices: a standard-range single-motor version and a long-range option. For city driving, the standard version will be more than enough. The long-range version will push well over 250 miles, making it ideal for daily commuting or even highway travel. And thanks to Tesla's supercharger network, charging will be easy and reliable. But the biggest impact of the Model 2 won't be performance or design. It will be the disruption it creates. An EV priced under $11,000 doesn't just compete with electric cars. It competes with every cheap gasoline car in the world. From Asia to Europe, from Africa to South America, millions of people who could never afford an EV before will now have the option. This is Tesla's true strategy: to make EVs the default choice, not a luxury item. And there's more. Tesla's new factory layout for the Model 2 is completely redesigned around the Giga Press. Instead of long assembly lines, Tesla uses modular manufacturing. Cars move through small, efficient stations where everything just clicks together. This reduces floor space, electricity usage, and production time. Tesla is basically building cars the way smartphones are built: fast, simple, and scalable. The impact of the 50,000-ton Giga Press goes beyond just the Model 2. Now that Tesla has proven this technology, they can use it for all future cars. The Cybertruck already uses gigacasting, but the Model 2 takes it to the next level. Soon we could see entire vehicles produced with just a few giant cast pieces. This will make future Teslas cheaper, stronger, and faster to build. And here's the part that should worry other automakers: Tesla is years ahead. No other car company has a working 50,000-ton press. Even if they try to copy the idea, it will take years to catch up. Tesla has the machines, the factories, the engineers, and the experience. The Model 2 might be the first Tesla designed from scratch using this new manufacturing philosophy, but it definitely won't be the last. Toward the end of this story, the most important question is this: when will customers actually be able to buy one? Tesla says production is expected to begin soon, with early units first coming out of Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Mexico. As production ramps up, more countries will be added. And because the Model 2 was designed for global markets, Tesla plans to scale fast. This car will not be limited to one region like the Cybertruck. It's going everywhere. The $10,979 price tag is not just a number, it's a message. Tesla is telling the world that the cost of electric cars can be pushed much lower. And they are showing that new manufacturing technology is the key. The GigaPress isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in industrial engineering. And it might just be the machine that changes the future of transportation. The Tesla Model 2 is more than just a cheap EV. It's the beginning of a new generation of cars that are smarter, cleaner, stronger, and far more affordable. We're witnessing a turning point in the automotive industry. When you combine groundbreaking manufacturing, extreme cost efficiency, and Tesla's software-first approach, you get a car that simply shouldn't exist at this price. But it does. And the story doesn't end here. As the first real affordable Tesla hits roads around the world, the pressure on the rest of the industry will explode. Competition will increase, prices will fall, and innovation will accelerate. Consumers everywhere will benefit. And in the years ahead, we'll look back at today and say this was the moment everything changed. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Tesla Model 2, Make sure to subscribe because we'll keep covering all the latest breakthroughs in the world of electric cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.